Welcome back to Phillips Hot Rod Garage. All right guys, it's good to be back with you for another video. It is Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving everybody. I hope you guys all get plenty to eat today. Hope you have a great day with your family today. I'm just taking a few minutes here on Thanksgiving morning to make a video and just catch you guys up with where we at. Just let you guys know what's going on at Phillips Hot Rod Garage. Things have been kind of slow lately on getting videos out, but we're back. We're still making videos. We had a swap meet last week. We had a great time. This time last year, I was trying to figure out if I wanted to sell my 32 Chevrolet or not. Well, I did. We loaded that thing up in the back of a pickup truck, sold it last weekend to a guy out of Tennessee. Sold that at the swap meet, so it's gone now. So in its place, I rolled this in here. I told you guys in the last video that I had something big coming up, and it's a big piece of equipment for the shop. So we're gonna unpack this in a few minutes and check it out. But just taking a few minutes right here in the morning on Thanksgiving to make a video while my wife and my kids are cooking. And you know, she wants me to get out of the kitchen, just leave her alone, so that's what I do. But it's gonna be good. We're going out to my wife's parents' house. Both her parents still alive. We're thankful for that. Both my parents are still alive, so we'll be at their house tonight. And we're just thankful for that. So there's so much to be thankful for. And hey, let's see what we got right here. We got a lot of things going on at Phillips Hot Rod Garage. There is just a ton going on. So let's go ahead and get this thing unpacked and see what we got here. And we're gonna have a good day. It's gonna be a great Thanksgiving. Probably good.
Good right there?
Yes, sir.
All right, we appreciate it.
Yeah, thank y'all. Got to get this thing unpacked and see if I need anything in particular for this installation of this. I think you guys can all figure out that this is a 2-post lift that we're going to be putting in the shop. I think that's really going to help. I think it's really going to help. All right. It's like Christmas on Thanksgiving. Isn't that cool? And tomorrow's my birthday, so this is an early birthday present to myself. I packed it up pretty well. Well guys, my guess is we're gonna have deviled eggs and probably some ham, probably some turkey. And I'm sure somebody will have some fried chicken. You know, you always gotta have fried chicken. That's always good. When I left out of the house, my wife and my kids had the Macy's Day Parade on. That's always good. There's oil on there. Let me go grab something to clean that up with before it goes everywhere. And there's water on here too because it was raining when I went and picked this up. So I had to haul it home in the rain. I didn't want to do that, but I had no choice. All right guys, there's a pretty good look at it. I picked this up from Advantage Lifts. I did a lot of research on these lifts before I bought one, and I think Advantage Lifts seems to be a good company. It looks to be a good quality lift, so I think I'm gonna be happy with it. It looks nice and strong. Now I've used a lot of lifts in my lifetime from companies like Rotary, Benpack. Got a forward lift at work and a rotary at work. In my old shop, I had a, what was that thing? An Amco, that was it. I'll probably show you guys that lift in a few minutes. But I've had a lot of different lifts, and in the home shop, I decided I might better go with something that's a little bit more reasonably priced, but still good quality for the home shop, but something I won't be using every day. So my rotary lift that I have at work, I bought in 1993, or my dad bought it for me to use in 1993, and I still use it every day. So that lift's 30 years old. This lift, I probably won't be using it for another 30 years, and I won't be using it every day. So I don't really need that rotary quality or expense for what I'm going to be doing here in the home shop. So I think this is going to be a good one. So I had to get this box open so I could get this instruction sheet out. And I got to check this package here to make sure that I have my anchors. And there they are. There they are. Now Eric, my old buddy Eric, he works for a company that puts in bridge railings. And so they have all the drills and the bits and everything. So he's hooking me up with the use of that stuff. So it looks like I got everything that I need for the install. So tomorrow we're going to be installing a 2-post lift. So I'm going to video that for you guys and show you how that works. And hopefully we'll get some cars up on this thing pretty soon. Yep, I got a box full of goodies. We might better read those. All right, so let's check out what we got in this box. Well, trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera, guys, doesn't work too well. My camera lady's up there cooking Thanksgiving dinner, so can't really complain about that. All right, so this is going to be the pump. Yeah, can't really get it open right now, but there's the tank, the motor, switch, hydraulic pump. So yeah, tomorrow, or yeah, maybe Saturday, we're gonna put this thing in. So, you know, I'm really thankful to have this lift, and And people might think, well, you know, you're making a video to put on YouTube on your channel of nothing more than just showing your lift. You know, you should be working or doing other things. But guys, you really don't know how thankful I am to have this lift. I mean, of course, I'm thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for the opportunity to still have my parents with me and my wife's parents, and to be able to spend time with our kids and all on Thanksgiving. And, you know, I'm very thankful for all my blessings that I believe the Lord has given me in my life. But, you know, there have been some tough times. There's been some difficult times. So for me to have this is, it just, there's an emotional place there in my life. And, you know, to have this lift and it be red in this color, it just reminds me of things that I've lost, you know. And guys, I don't know if y'all ever get emotional when it comes to things, but no, I'm not gonna go too far and start crying on the channel. That's not it. It's not like that. I'm just very, very thankful. And I want to show you guys why having this on this Thanksgiving Day means so much to me. So come on, let me show you something. So let's take a walk down the hill and see what I got down here. Well guys, it's a beautiful day today. It's kind of cool out here. You know, kind of a mild temperature for Thanksgiving for us. We have had it quite cold before, but it's a pretty nice day. So great day to check out this old shop down here. I've never showed this on my channel before, but I think today's the day to show you guys what I've really got to be thankful for. The weeds have started growing up a little bit, so I kind of got to make my way through all these weeds. But guys, this was my shop in 2018. It burned down, lost everything. I've mentioned it once on the channel. I think maybe one time I mentioned it, but I've never shown you guys what was in here. There was so much stuff in here. This was like my collection of old car stuff. You know, this building took a lot for me to get built. I built it when I was young, worked hard for it, but it's all been just sitting here since 2018. Haven't been able to bring myself to get out here and clean everything up. This is my old hot rod. This is my first hot rod, and I really miss this car. Really miss it. I might take the time to show you guys some more on this car in a future video. But for today, I just want to show you guys this lift. Well, guys, I need to get down here and clean all this stuff up, but it's just really not something I've really been excited about doing, you know. But to get this old lift replaced, get a new one in operation so I can get back to work on a lift is going to be, it's going to be an awesome thing. So yep, really thankful for that. So of course I'm thankful for the new shop. You know, I didn't want this one to burn, but I'm thankful for the new one, and I'm thankful to have a new lift to replace that one. So appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna have a lift install coming up in the next video, and I've got that new project that I'm about to show you guys. It's gonna be really, really cool. So yeah, we've had a good time at the swap meet. We've had a good time at the car show, but it's time to get back to work. So don't forget to be thankful for something today. Be thankful for something. We've got so much to be thankful for. I'm thankful for new hot rod projects. I'm thankful for a new lift. I'm thankful for the day with my family. So we're about to go eat. So I'll see you guys in the next one.